Hi everyone, today we're going to do a little tour of my garden. So here's some okra we have growing. As you can see, it's ready to produce. Today we're going to work on our zucchini, and I am going to thin out the zucchini. It's not doing too good. Also, cucumbers, got some lemongrass, fig, some basil. This was our broccoli. It didn't make it, so I think what's happening is it's not getting any water because of the ginormous tomato plants. These peppers over here are surviving, so our tomatoes are doing really good. These are Cherokee purple tomatoes, and there's grape and cherry tomatoes over here. Look at this tomato. It is insane. Can you see all that that's growing? It's crazy. More peppers over here. Peppers. More zucchini. Today we're going to thin out the zucchini, cucumbers. That's an eggplant, and as you can see, the leaves are getting in the way of the eggplant. And so some more peppers over here. So we are definitely going to thin out the leaves on the zucchini plant today. And it's making it so that the pollinators are not getting back here to pollinate my zucchini. And that's what happens when your zucchini is really thick. Usually it works really well maybe in the winter, in the early spring, but when it's summer and it starts to get really hot, you start to have problems. As you can see, there are some little mites over here. So